Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Pregnant but having no symptoms, is it a safe pregnancy? Pregnancy is different for every woman. Some experience all the symptoms in the book, while others experience none. Pregnancy without any symptoms, is it possible? Yes, pregnancy without symptoms is common. And no, it does not mean that your baby is in trouble. Even if you don't see any symptoms in the early stages, you may suddenly experience nausea or morning sickness a few weeks into your pregnancy. What if you're uncertain about your pregnancy? Early pregnancy detection strips measure the level of hCG in the urine to determine pregnancy, which is usually very low during the early stages. If you are uncertain of pregnancy tests at home, visit a gynecologist and get your blood and urine tested to determine pregnancy. Doctor confirms pregnancy, but you don't have any symptoms. Yes, this may happen. You may be among the lucky ones who experience little to no symptoms during pregnancy. Despite the lack of symptoms, keep up your routine checkups to track fetal development. Visit the doctor immediately if you feel unusual pain or cramps. Does this happen to women with PCOS? PCOS is one of the most common causes of pregnancy without symptoms. A pregnant PCOS woman would feel mild symptoms but not as much as a woman without PCOS. So, if you have PCOS and aren't experiencing any symptoms, it's likely nothing wrong with your baby. What if the pregnancy symptoms stop suddenly? If you've been experiencing symptoms of early pregnancy and they've stopped abruptly, consult a gynecologist immediately. It may indicate a miscarriage. Signs of miscarriage: 1. Intense abdominal pain. 2. Regular painful contractions. 3. Bleeding. Note: some women have delayed pregnancies, in which the embryo and pregnancy sac develop a little later, even though the pregnancy test result is positive. In such cases, please contact your doctor to rule out unusual or tubal pregnancies. The key to a successful pregnancy is staying informed and taking all the necessary precautions. If you are not experiencing any pregnancy symptoms, consider yourself a lucky mother-to-be and enjoy your pregnancy a little more.